Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing the context. Locate the file, device, or interface that should contain the setting marker and verify you have access. Once you confirm access, record existing markers, ID, timestamps, or coordinates so you can spot changes reliably. Make a quick backup or snapshot. This prevents accidental loss and lets you revert. Because you want accuracy, review any related logs or metadata now, so the next steps will target the correct location without guesswork. You now perform the actual search. Run targeted queries, use filters, or execute commands that list potential marker names, ID, or timestamps. As you find candidates, inspect adjacent configuration entries, annotations, or UI overlays. These often reveal why a marker moved or failed to render. Once you have candidates, compare them against your baseline snapshot to determine if markers are missing, renamed, or displaced, and take notes about exact locations and any error codes you encounter. You finish by applying the appropriate fix. Restore the backed up marker, correct coordinates or ID, or recreate the marker where needed. Once done, validate both visually and through logs. Reload the resource or start a fresh session to ensure the marker persists and behaves as expected. If it still fails, make sure to collect exact replication steps, screenshots, and any error messages, and escalate to the right owner. This gives them the context to diagnose deeper issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.